If you want to change eye color in Fotor quickly and make it look natural, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can edit your photo with a realistic eye tint in just a few minutes. This is perfect for profile pictures, creative edits, social media content, or just experimenting with different looks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy photo editing guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is upload your photo into the Fotor editor. Once the image is loaded, you'll be able to start making beauty edits right inside the workspace. Make sure the photo is clear and the eyes are visible because that will give you the best results when applying the new color. Now look over to the far left sidebar menu and click on Beauty. This is where Fotor keeps its facial enhancement tools, including the eye editing options. When you open Beauty, scroll through the available categories until you find Eyes. Under that section, select Eye Tint. Once you click Eye Tint, you'll see a palette of preset colors, along with a color wheel in some versions. This is where you choose the eye color you want to apply. You can go for something subtle and realistic like brown, hazel, green, or blue, or you can choose a more dramatic tone if you're going for a creative edit. Take your time here and pick the shade that best matches the style you want. After selecting the color, the next step is to fine-tune the brush settings. Adjust the brush size so it matches the size of the iris as closely as possible. If the brush is too big, it may spill outside the eye area. If it's too small, the color won't cover the iris evenly. Then move the brush intensity slider to control how strongly the tint blends into the photo. A lower intensity gives you a softer, more natural finish, while a higher intensity makes the color pop more. Now, it's time to paint over the irises in your photo. Carefully brush over each iris so the eye tint effect is applied only where you want it. Try to stay inside the eye area and avoid covering the whites of the eyes or the eyelids. If you make a mistake, you can usually adjust and refine the effect until it looks clean and realistic. The goal here is to create a smooth color change that still looks like a natural part of the photo. Once you're happy with how the eyes look, click Apply to confirm your changes. This locks in the new eye color and finalizes the effect on your image. After that, go to the top bar above the canvas and click Download to save your edited photo to your device. And that's it. You've just changed eye color in Fotor using the Eye Tint tool. It's a simple process, but if you adjust the brush size and intensity carefully, you can get a really polished result. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.